Today is my wash day routine. If you want to see how I wash my hair, how I conditioner, moisturizing, and also style my hair, I guess you watch this video till end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Peace and love everyone. My name is Queen Natural. Welcome back here. If you are new on our YouTube channel, I welcome you with peace and love. If you have been watching our content before, then welcome back for checking on our YouTube video. I appreciate all of you that have been subscribing to my YouTube channel, all the love, like that you have been showing me. I appreciate all of you all. As you can see here, my hair is so bumpy, fluffy, full and thick. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all my wash day routine, how I wash it from beginning to end and how I moisturize it. So if you want to see how I do everything, you have to stay here and watch everything till end. Don't let me waste your time. Let's get to the video. So guys, here is me in my bedroom. I want to wash my hair. My hair is so itchy, scratchy. So it's time for me to put water on it. The shampoo I'm going to be using today is Nature Box shampoo made with olive oil. As you know guys, I love olive oil because olive oil is very good on hair since I've run out my black soap shampoo and the one I ordered from Africa haven't arrived yet. That's why I go for this shampoo. Anyway guys, this shampoo is so good. It makes my hair to feel soft and it cleans all the dirt in my hair. So I recommend this shampoo if you want to wash your hair apart from black soap. So you can go for this shampoo because it's very good to clean dirty natural hair. The difference between this shampoo and my black soap is in my black soap shampoo, I put organic herbal that will make hair to grow longer and full. But in this shampoo, it's just to wash your hair and clean. So the difference is clear. My organic herbal black soap shampoo will clean your hair. At the same time, it will still give you massive hair growth. Now it's time to conditioner my natural hair. This conditioner you are seeing here was naturally made by me. If you want to order this conditioner, you can order it at www.queensheba.com. This conditioner is very good for all types of natural hair. I've advertised this conditioner many times on my YouTube channel. You can also check the description box below to see the link to the video on how I use this hair conditioner on all types of natural hair, especially on children as well. After rinsing all the hair conditioner from my hair, then I follow up with diluted apple seed vinegar. So I'm using this apple seed vinegar to rinse all the dirty out of my hair and also to use it to promote my hair growth. Welcome back family. So this is how my hair look like after all the processing in the bedroom. After the washing routine, I didn't put any oil, any cream. Now I want to moisturize it in the presence of you guys so that you can see how my hair look like after the washing routine. So don't let me waste your time guys, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do now is to oil my scalp. So after I oil it finish, then I will massage it in before I started to be moisturizing my hair. So the next thing I will do now is to unravel the braids. As you can see, my hair is so healthy, coily, even though without anything in it. So as I unravel this part, I'm going to moisturize it with the oil and the cream. Sometimes I use oil before cream, sometimes I use cream before oil. So today I want to use oil and cream. So the next thing that we use is my organic hair shea butter. As you can see it here, this is it. This is how it looks like. This is the one I'm using at home. Once I put it in my hand. It's melting. So I'm going to put the shea butter on the tips. I'm going to comb it through. So you can see my hair conditioner was so good to not break your hair, to just make your hair to fluffy, beautiful and soft. As you can see, there's no any hair in the comb, only this. You see? So I will continue to unravel the remaining ones. So my herbal hair growth oil, I'm using my hand to separate the braids so that it will be easy for me to comb through. All the tiny hands, see the way my hair is so full and healthy. If you haven't watched the video I made about the indigo, you go and watch it because it's very, very good. Indigo is good. My hair was so damaged during the mother time. I was in mother time back then and I don't have strength, much time to do my hair. So after I gave birth to my last daughter, I experienced a lot of breakage and my hands were so tiny. It doesn't good. I'm using my herbal grow to grow it out, but the ends are so tiny. The hands doesn't, I don't like the ends. It was just some tiny hands here and it's very irritating. So I tried indigo and the indigo was so good. It repaired my hair immediately. So if your hair is breaking off and you are looking for some herbal to cure it, I recommend indigo. I recommend indigo for you guys to go and use indigo. It's very nice. I can't believe my hair can be so healthy without any tiny ant here. As you can see, there is not any tiny hands. I'm so surprised. And my hair was so bouncing again the way it's supposed to be. So go and try indigo powder. Go and watch the video. This is gorgeous. Are you missing this oil? You better go and order this oil if you want your hair to healthy, long and grow. You can see my hair, it was so yummy. So this is how it ends. This is how it look like. I'm going to put it on protective style because my hair do shrink quickly, so I will show you the result of the protective style after I made it off camera. So I thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate all the comments, likes, all the love you guys have been showering us on this YouTube channel. You can also order our products to grow your hair out. This product is not a joke. It will help grow your hair. You will feel comfortable. Your hair will look healthy, smelling beautiful, and continue to be growing longer and longer. Go to our YouTube video. You will see a lot that can help your hair to grow out. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment down in the section box below everything you want to ask me, everything you want me to do on this YouTube channel. Comment down in the section box below. I will reply you immediately. I wish you all peace and love. Don't forget, your hair is your crown. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and share this content so that a lot of people can see how to treat their natural hair and how to get fluffy hair like so. I wish you all peace and love. I wish you all good luck. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to come back and check on me. Press the notification button below so that you will know that Queen Natural have uploaded a new video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.